Alright guys, I got something special for you today. Stay tuned. Alright, let's open her up, shall we? Oh, oh. Well, that's the paddle right there. That's pretty heavy duty if you ask me. I might need an extension on this. I'm 6'2". They're saying that I probably won't need them because how the ergonomics says you're standing up pushing straight down, but from my experience, every drill I've ever used at stock paddle length and all that is way too small for me. So this is a paddle that's made for mixing thin set adhesive, things like that. This one's going to work out perfect. Here's a mixer. Here's a mixer right there. Collomix mixer.
Hi, Dada.
What's up, big boy?
Guys, we're going to sit up today it's too hot to play outside, so today we're going to play inside.
It's very, very hot.
Yeah.
So this is the mixer. This is the Collomix, and this model is an X04. X04, they come from X01, X04, X06, and then they have a double paddle one, which is called X05. The audience is leaving. So we're going to open this box and see what it looks like. Nice packaging. It does come with a paddle mixer here. Kind of just slide it out. Kind of just slide it out like that. Let's see what it looks like. Lay it down. Pops right off. Yeah, it's definitely got some weight to it, I can tell you that. So here's the other mixer that it comes with. This one, I'm really not sure what it's made for, what the best application is for, but I will be using the other mixer to mix thin set. This one I'll try out for something. You could check out Collomix on YouTube. They have videos explaining what paddles are made for what. So I'm not sure what this one is made for, but the other one I showed you previously, that one's definitely made for mixing thin set mortar, which I'm a tile guy and that's what I use most of the time, and that self-leather and mixing mud as well. Oh man, look at that bad boy. Look at this bad boy. This thing definitely got some weight to it. One thing I do not like about this type of mixer though is that it doesn't have a lock on button. I'm used to using my Rigid now for probably been 7 years on that bad boy, and I like how it has a lock on button. It really reduces fatigue in your fingers, but this shouldn't be too much of a problem holding the trigger down, and I should be able to get a better mix too, and a little bit less of the time too. Definitely got some weight to it. Definitely got some weight to it. It's heavy duty. No doubt about that. So, like the grips on it, pretty ergonomic. I mean, it really gets around you. You kind of hold it up here like this, or kind of down on this part here, whatever works for you. There's a safety on that. I don't see the point of having a safety, but hey, whatever. So this is quality made stuff, made in Germany. Most of the time, Germans make some pretty good stuff. So, once again, it's the Collomix X04. X04. Some instructions here. Kind of like a brochure type of thing here. more stuff here. I got the different original operating instructions, X01 through X06. I'm going to give you a little bit of stickers there. Pretty nice. What I really like about this bad boy too is that it comes with the cord that it comes with. It's about 12 feet, so that'll get you pretty close to most outlets. You always have extension cord nearby, but you don't have to use one. Why, right? So here's the chuck that it comes with. It's a kind of a quick connect. You kind of push it in here. This just threads on. You can see that it kind of just threads on right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to thread this on right now. See how one of these paddles kind of go in here. I think they just push straight in. Let's see. Yep, that is sweet. You don't have to worry, because I have my old rigid. The chuck is kind of worn out. I've had guys work with me over the years. They get things set on the key. Everything gets messed up, and then they're trying to tighten it. They strip out the truck. So, you know, it's working somewhat, but the last thing I need to do is be on the job, and the chuck's not holding the paddles, and I can't do anything. It's going to stop the whole job. So, I really like this one because how you kind of hold it here, and how this chuck is not going to go anywhere. This thing is going to hold it in place every time. We just push it in, kind of like your standard impact drivers. You just push it in. If you want to release it, not sure how you get it out yet. Yeah, that's it. You just push it, pull it down, and that's it. Pretty basic there. So I'm gonna put this paddle on it, kind of leave it. They definitely put some grease in the tip here. Keep things nice and lubed. Alright, that's it. We're ready to go. Of course, I think I'm gonna have to at least pull the trigger on this thing. So I had to plug it in. Please try it out here. Oh, you can feel the power this thing has. It's got a real torquey kind of sound to it. It definitely has enough torque to mix, I would say, at least, you know, probably about 2 bags of thin set without too much struggle. When I use my rigid, and if I want to mix a whole bag of mud, that gets it done, but really it has a hard time doing it. So if I'm on a larger job, I want to mix 2 bags of mud, this is going to do it no problem. So this X04 is a 2-speed. The first speed is 0 to 420 RPMs, I believe, and the other one, I believe, is 0 to 520. I believe you change the speed with this red dial here. So here you go. You got you both. I don't know if you can see that. So I don't know if you can see that, but it has a little marking on here. It has 2 for here, 1 for here, and there's a little notch out here. So we're on speed number 1. So I want to put on speed number 2. I just flip it around to speed number 2. That's it. Speed number 2. Speed number 1. That's all there is to it. They definitely keep everything nice and lubed up for you here. Alright folks, so that is the Collomix X04. I want to give a shout out to Steve Sprung from Tile&Tools.com. He sent me this here. Just so everyone knows, I'm not sponsored. I paid full retail price for this. So no, like, you know, sponsor. I'm just shouting out his name because, you know, they have some quality tools on that website. So make sure you check it out, Tile&Tools.com. Be able to get one of these bad boys, and that is it. Collomix X04, guys. Yes, sir. Donnie signing off. Alright, Collomix X04. Let me try it out for the first time on the job site. I tried to use this paddle to mix for a mortar bed, deck, mud, dry pack, whatever you guys want to call it. I just call it mud. Try to use that paddle mix. That was not working out too well, so I had to resort to my old drill here with that paddle. That works good, but I can get the chuck adapter for here and put on here. But this thing's got more than enough power, so today's gonna be the first time I'm actually gonna use it to make some thin set. I don't gotta mix too much, but let's see how she does. Okay, so this thing definitely mixes it no problem. It's got more than enough power. Really like it. I think it's still a little bit low for me. I'm 6'2", so I'll probably get the extension on it. I'm up a little bit higher. Other than that, pretty damn good. Pretty damn good.